Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today I'm going to show you how to make a very, very fast meal. So we're sitting in my kitchen. That's my son's sitting up. I get a lot. I want to eat healthy, but I don't have time. Or I want to eat healthy, but I don't know how to cook. Or eating healthy feels like you have to meal prep for so long and you're in your kitchen for an hour every time you want to eat something and I just don't have that time. Not true. Not true. My goal is to make lunch in 15 minutes. So I have some quinoa going. That's the thing that's might slow me down. So that's something you could prep ahead, but again, it shouldn't take that long. 2-to-1 ratio with the quinoa. So I've got a half a cup of quinoa, a cup of water, bring it to a boil, reduce it, leave it uncovered. When all the water is gone, your quinoa is ready. Okay, super easy. See how it's boiling? Hopefully I can get it before it boils over. Just turn it down. Yeah, that was my toddler. Welcome to another episode of Jessica's Kitchen. Okay, it's 12 o'clock now. My goal is to have lunch prepared by 12:15, even with all this chatting and the monitor back there because Henry's napping. My quinoa is done, but I have nothing else prepared. I want to assemble everything in front of you guys to show you how simple it really is. So let's just get started. So we're gonna make like a Thai salad bowl with some quinoa and also some hard-boiled egg whites for our protein. So let's get started. First, I'm just gonna peel these.
When you're needing someone to bring you freedom, 'cause you're out of saving grace.
Dealing with hard-boiled eggs is peeling them and just trying to get the shell off. Add some bell pepper. I was gonna roast up some broccoli or some Brussels sprouts, but I wanted to show you guys nothing in my fridge. Let's just get it all done. So I'm just gonna chop up this pepper, that way I have it for snacks. Spinach. There's no hard science with this, just what you guys want, as much as you want. I have some purple cabbage and some napa cabbage. My napa cabbage, I should have looked at it a little better. It looks kind of iffy. What do you want? You always want something from me. I'm gonna shred up some purple cabbage. Purple cabbage is amazing for fiber. Any vegetable with tons of colors is gonna have a good fiber content and be super yummy. I love cabbage. I love napa cabbage too, especially when I'm making like Thai slaws and stuff. I just kind of picked a bad one, so I have to use it up before it goes completely bad. So I'm just shredding some up. I'll even make it look kind of pretty for you guys. I really want to show you guys, things don't have to be perfect, and you don't need a full fridge to make a really hearty meal, and you don't need to, it doesn't need to take a lot of time, which I think is important. So far I've got like 10 more minutes and I'm basically done. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a quarter of this bell pepper. Now, I would probably add some avocado to this and it would be delicious, but I had a lot of avocado this morning in my breakfast, so I think I'm gonna leave it out and just use some hemp hearts for the fat and in our dressing. But you absolutely could use some avocado and it would be amazing, depending on what your macros look like or, however you like to eat. The way you break down like your portions of fats and stuff. I just had a lot for Lent or for breakfast, not a lot, but I had like a half of a small avocado, and I don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner yet. So lunch I want to keep maybe a little bit more carb heavy, a little less fat heavy. heavy. Okay, so far this is my bowl. So I've got my purple cabbage, my napa cabbage, my bell peppers, my spinach, and some hard-boiled egg whites. I took the yolks out. Again, you can totally leave them in. I'm just being a little bit conscious about my fat content. I'm gonna go get the quinoa. Pretty. I've done nothing to this. I haven't even seasoned it. I'm just gonna take a big spoonful of the quinoa. I'm not gonna measure it. It's probably gonna be about a quarter of a cup. Grab my salt and pepper, and I'm gonna go ahead and season my egg whites and my quinoa. Sorry guys, I know I look rough today, but I went to yoga this morning and it wasn't hot yoga, so, well, I showered, so I guess it doesn't matter. But I'm going to Orange Theory tomorrow morning, so I didn't wash my hair, so I look a little grungy. Okay, next is my favorite, which is this new dressing that I've been making all the time. The only thing I don't have right now is garlic powder, which seems crazy, but this is just, I'm gonna take about a little bit less than a tablespoon of almond butter. This is Trader Joe's creamy almond butter. I'm gonna squeeze in some liquid aminos. They didn't have coconut aminos at the grocery store, so I bought these liquid aminos. I don't know how I feel about them. Just squeezing it in. I'm gonna show you guys. Let's change the camera angle and show you. If we're moving fast, we're gonna be messy. So far I have my aminos and my almond butter. I'm gonna squeeze in some sriracha, or you could do red chili flakes. I'm gonna squeeze in some ground ginger, which this is amazing. You can get it at Trader Joe's, and it's just fresh ginger, and you don't have to worry about like preserving the root, which I love. I'm gonna add a little pepper, no salt, just like the aminos are pretty salty. And one other thing I'm gonna get, fresh lime. I'm just gonna take a little wedge, squeeze it in there. The acidity is really gonna help brighten this dish up. Mix it all together. Pro tip, if you have a toddler, use their bowls for salad dressing. Okay, give it a little taste test. That's good. Needs a little bit more. Yeah, these aminos are just not my favorite. I'm gonna add just a little bit more almond butter, not too much, just to sweeten it a little bit. Yummy. And just drizzle this sauce all over it. You don't need to add all of it. If you feel like you need a little too much, plenty. Voila. Look at this, you guys. Get back in there. It's 12:11, you guys. I made it under the 15 minutes, even with shifting my camera a bunch. You can make a fast, simple, hearty, healthy meal in less than 15 minutes. It doesn't take a whole lot of time, you guys. I encourage you to try it. Try this recipe. Everything will be in the description box. I'll give you the whole breakdown. Try it. Let me know what you think. If you've got some chicken or maybe some, like a lean cut of beef, add it. It would be so good. I just wanted to show you something super unprepped. Add some roasted veggies. Some broccoli would taste delicious on this, or some Brussels sprouts. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.